Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills, Logan Burgess. Today is January 2nd. It is a Thursday, and we had soybeans come off sharply today. Let's take a look at the quotes here. Corn's unchanged for the most part, down 3/4 cents. Soybeans down 21 3/4 cents. Wheat in Chicago down 8 3/4, and Kansas City wheat trading off 9 3/4 cents. Logan, we saw soybeans really hard selling for the second day in a row.
Yep.
What's going on over there?
You know, it really seemed like it started on Friday. We had a story out that DDG prices were collapsing domestically. That brought a lot of concern about soy meal usage domestically into the bean market. That was taking some price out of the meal market. We saw it spill over into beans on Friday, and as you said, we had a hard day of selling on Friday. If you take a look here at the daily March contract here, you can see we closed below $13 with conviction, and I think that got a lot of traders scared out of this market. Probably got a lot of longs running for the hills. If you take a look though at the RSI on this chart, 30 is where technical traders look at a market being oversold. We're now sitting at 32.1, so the market seems like it's due for a little bit of a bounce back.
Yeah, you know, I think if we do have a bounce back, I think producers need to be ready here because $13 was a critical support level that we broke through. I think we're going to see a role reversal. What was support will turn into resistance, and oftentimes when you're trading in this sort of channel and you break down, you break through that support, sometimes we'll come back up and we'll retest that area. I think if we retest that area, producers need to be ready to pull the trigger, make some sales here. So you might want to hang an order out there, a sell order out there around that $12.95, $12.98 area if we're able to bounce. But fundamentally, this is a fundamental story, and I think it's strong enough that maybe we see a third day of hard selling here. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that very easily is in the cards.
Yes, you know, it's certainly a new crop story here as well. In today's action, we saw new crop beans trade down 6 cents, so really not selling to the degree that we saw the March contract. But take a look here at a weekly chart of this November soybean contract, and you can see here, we highlighted this on Friday's show, but we have a trend line that's intersecting this market about 1120. That's kind of our downside objective right now. So there's still downside risk in this market, Cody. As you said, this DDG story is going to continue to nag this soy meal market, I think. And right now, all indications are that growing conditions down in Central America are very good. So until we get a scare out of South America, I guess I'm kind of wondering where the bullish story is going to come from. As you said, I think this is a good time to take a look about making some sales if we can get a little bit of a bounce here in the next couple of days.
Yeah, I'd be nervous selling into more selling pressure.
Right.
I'd be looking for a bounce, but like you said, once that bounce happens, you need to have some price areas in mind so that you can pull the trigger and you don't make some emotional decision. Maybe it's going to go higher, and hold on to it until it's back down near its lows.
Yeah, if you have any questions about that, feel free to give us a call at the office. Our number is 877-472-4607. As we keep saying, we have a great mobile trading app now available for iPhone, iPad, Android, and tablet. Visit us over at grainhedge.com to take a demo. In tomorrow's action, keep an eye on export sales and the EIA ethanol report. As we've been talking about this DDG story a lot, that is something that's going to be weighing on DDG prices. That's not going to be good for the ethanol crush margin here moving forward. Shouldn't be reflected in tomorrow's report, but that's something to keep in mind. We'll help keep you posted on that story here on GrainTV. Thanks a lot for joining us on a Thursday. We'll see you tomorrow.